The results of the Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate of the Meghalaya Board of School Education for Science and Commerce streams were declared on the 9th of May 2023. Schools who topped the first 10 positions in the merit list include St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, and Laban Bengali Higher Secondary School. Schools who topped the first 10 positions in the merit list include St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School and Laban Bengali Higher Secondary School, besides others. In the commerce stream, Rishabh Purkaista of Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School, Shillong, secured first position in the merit list of top 10 students with 484 marks and letters in 6 subjects. In the science stream, Arnab Datta of Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School, Shillong, secured first position in the merit list with 483 marks and letters in 5 subjects. It was truly a day of celebration for St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, where its students had topped 7 positions each in both the science and commerce streams in the 2023 Hsslc merit list. Amongst toppers from St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, was Sharman Khongsit, who secured 7th position in the science stream with 454 marks and letters in 6 subjects.
And one piece of advice I'd like to give you all, although I know most of them will ignore it. If you work hard yourself and you believe that you can achieve something, there are very less chances that you won't achieve it. And you should always keep some room in your head to expect the unexpected. As is the case with me, I never expected to even be in the ranks, but here I am. So that I'd like to conclude. Thank you.
Excellent work they have started, and may they grow in the process of learning experience. I take this opportunity also to thank the management, especially for providing the best infrastructure, the best well-qualified teachers, and the committed, dedicated parents who accompanied our students in their home. And I feel and I congratulate the students for their sincere hard work. I know it is not that easy, to come up, but yet through the motivations that the school renders to them, especially during the time when they are with us. Today, from the science stream, we are happy to say that we've come to learn that 7 of our students have backed the toppers. We have in the science stream the 3rd position, the 5th position, the 6th, the 7th position. There are 2 of them, the 8th, the 9th and the 10th. So 7 students got rank holders in the science stream and 7 in the commerce stream, and that is in the 2nd, in the 3rd, there are 2 of them, in the 5th, the 6th, the 7th and the 9th. And out of these, we have around 187 students appear in commerce and 156 in commerce stream.
So it was a really difficult journey, but then everybody had motivated me and also inspired me a lot, and this was what had actually kept me going. So to the students who have not made it, I would just say that we have to work hard, we have to be consistent, and we have to be determined. If we're not consistent and hardworking, then it's difficult to achieve the goals that we want to achieve. And to the students who have achieved, I'd like to say that they've really done a great job. I'm planning to, I've attempted NEET last Sunday, and then I think I'll have to take coaching for a year, and then I'll attempt NEET again. And after that, if I crack NEET successfully, then I'll go for medical. Since class 11, I had been going to this coaching center, Secure Point. It's here only in Laban. And there the teachers were actually very, very nice and very helpful. And even the teachers of our school, they have helped me a lot throughout this journey. And yes, it was really hard, it was hectic, but then I made it through somehow with the help of everyone, my parents of course. And then, during the school hours, like when we were having schools, like during those days, I couldn't really study much, like only at night I used to get time, and I couldn't get up in the morning, so only at night I studied. And then, I think 3 months before the exam started, we got plenty of holidays, so during that time I studied in the morning and at night.
stay during March, April, I didn't put that much effort. I was just studying like 1, 2 or 3 hours like, but later just as exams were coming over, as the board exams were coming nearer, I did increase. I went from 3 to then 6, then 9, then 10. So little by little I just increased. Like it wasn't truly burdensome, it wasn't really tiring. I just really went on with my own speed, with my own level. Maintaining consistency is very important. Like you don't have to study 6 hours from the very beginning. You can just revise whatever is taught in the school, and then during the end of the year, during December, January, you can put the little extra effort. But again, I'll say that teachers are very, very important, I'll say.